I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Instagram story comments. So let's go to Instagram. And what you could do is go ahead and go to the profile at the bottom right hand corner and then go to the three lines at the top right corner. This is just going to give you your settings and activity areas and things like that. So from here, if you want to turn your comments off on your stories, all you have to do is scroll down until you find where it says how others can interact with you, and you want to go to comments. So from here, you just want to go to stories, and from here, what you can do here is go ahead and choose everyone or people you follow, or you can go ahead and turn it completely off so that no one can comment on your stories. Another thing you can do is actually block comments from specific people. So what you could do is go ahead and just type in someone's name, and that will allow you to go ahead and block only that person from being able to comment on your stories. So it's very simple and very easy to go ahead and turn this feature on and off for your Instagram story comments.